There is a speculation of change in the name of the country from India to Bharat, even though Article 1 of the Constitution uses the two names interchangeably. India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. The Narendra Modi-led government is likely to bring a resolution to change India's official name to Bharat during the special session of Parliament. The official invite sent out for the G20 summit dinner to be hosted at the Rashtrapati Bhavan mentions President of Bharat instead of President of India, and this has sparked speculations about the central government's move to change the name of the country from India to Bharat. This is the first time an official invitation mentioned a change in India's name, and it has drawn criticism from the opposition parties. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh has hit out at the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. Meanwhile, several BJP leaders, including Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma, came in support of renaming the country as Bharat. There has been an ongoing controversy even since more than 24 opposition parties formed an alliance called India, inviting criticism from the ruling BJP. Many of the countries were renamed after the 1950s during post-colonialism, and the new name signified a change towards autonomy, leaving behind colonial legacy. Amid the speculation whether India would be renamed as Bharat, here is a list of countries that have recently changed their official name. Turkish President Erdogan declared the official name change from Turkey to Turkiye. This alteration aims to better represent the country's rich culture, values and civilization on the global stage. Iran transitioned Persia to Iran in 1935, altering how the country and its citizens were identified. In April 2016, the Czech Republic streamlined its name to Czechia. This change is making it easier for the nation to be recognized in sporting events and international marketing efforts. The African nation of Swaziland embraced its local heritage by renaming itself Eswatini, meaning the land of Swazis. This change eliminates confusion with Switzerland and aligns with the country's indigenous language. The Netherlands opted for a change in January 2020 from Holland for promotional purposes. This move reflects the nation's aspiration to project itself as an open, inventive and inclusive country. To join NATO and distinguish itself from Greece, which also has a region named Macedonia, the Republic of Macedonia became the Republic of North Macedonia in February 2019. Sri Lanka discarded the colonial name Ceylon in 2011 to assert its independence and remove historical remains of Portuguese and British rule. In 1937, Ireland adopted a new constitution, renaming itself Ireland and officially becoming a republic. Siam in Sanskrit was replaced by Thailand in 1939, reverted to Siam briefly between 1946 and 1948, and then officially became the Kingdom of Thailand. In 1989, Myanmar replaced Burma as the country's official name, reflecting linguistic accuracy despite some ongoing global usage of the older name. Cambodia underwent from various name changes over the years, reflecting its complex history.